Hello my superb babies, welcome back to my channel Princess Priyanka Loves Food and Mac, and today's video I'm going to be sharing my favorite drugstore blush and a highlighter. It's just one product which works as a blush and even as a highlighter. I'm using it past a month and this is my favorite drugstore blush and a highlighter. Right now it's even my high end because I'm not using any other blush and highlighter for the time being, and I'm just loving this. Maybe as a highlighter I switch on to Mary Luminizer or Benefit What's-Up, but as a blush past a month it is my favorite, and that's why I thought I should be sharing it with you babies because it is so amazing. So go ahead and look at the product in detail. It is the Shimmer Tints from PAC Cosmetics. We get 32 ml and all the ingredients in detail is mentioned. It is priced at $7.50, manufactured in 2016 and expires in 2019, so we have 3 good years to use it. It comes in a pump form, so it is very easy to dispense the product. Use very little goes a long way because it is very highly pigmented. So you can see how reflecting and how shiny and glowy it is. So you have to use very little. I would say start with just a dot on your skin. And yes, it looks woo. In this video, I have gone a little overboard with the color because I just wanted to show you the exact pigmentation so you guys can understand a little better about the color. And yes, let me just tell you babies that it gets into open pores big time. So if you have any open pores, just be a little careful, put a primer prior. As this is in a pump form, and if you press it too hard, too much product dispenses and it's gonna go waste, because in the initial stages of using this product a lot went waste. So I'm very gentle in pressing it and very less dispenses accordingly. I have always applied it with my fingertips because that's the best way I can use the product. I've used it with a brush, I've used it even with the beauty blender, but it is not working. So I like to use my fingertips and I just dab it very gently on my skin. First of all, I give a big smile and I have these big, cheeks out here. So I just dab it very gently out there and it works superbly. And if I feel it's very less, I build it up gradually. For a very natural look, you can stop it out here because this gives the ultimate natural look. But if you want a little bit more glowy, a little bit more drama, you can add in more like I am doing for that more glowy look. Please excuse my tiny nails. I am struggling to grow my nails, but somehow I really don't like growing my nails. I have no idea why, but yeah, excuse me. Just look at the difference. Ooh. Now babies, I have gone overboard, seriously. I feel that, and I have done that just maybe to show you babies that look at the color. Wow, for that, but I've gone like overboard. As a highlighter, I like to use it at the bridge of my nose, at my cupid's bow, and even under my lips. I would highly recommend to buy this because the quantity is quite good and little goes a long way. You just have to use little teeny beanie, and the natural look which it gives to your skin is amazing. But if you go overboard with this, it looks messy, it looks terrible. It really looks like too glowy and too shiny and a lot of shimmer in it, like pathetic in short. And there's a lot of skin difference also, so I would prefer to not go overboard with this. You might love it, but don't go overboard. To be super honest, this shade will go super well only with fair skin. Other skin tones might not like it. I purchased this at the store. They have a store in Mumbai, like PAC Cosmetics has a store in Mumbai. So I purchased this a month back or so, and that time they had 3 shades. One was a little silverish, one was a little bronzy, and one was in pink. And I preferred pink on my skin tone. This is in the number 003. All the three shades was really nice, but I like the pinkish and the bronzy. The silverish was too silverish, which I do not prefer personally. Bronzy gave a nice sun-kissed look and the pink was a nice natural look, which you can see on my face. Silverish was too silverish, like I didn't like it. But the bronze one will go well with all skin tones. And yes, you can avoid the silver completely. If you want to pick up this, just check the link in my description box. My PAC Cosmetics haul. I put in everywhere. You can even call them up and they deliver all over India. And if you want to know all my makeup details, do check the description box again. I think it was Madhu who told me she needs to know all my lipstick shades whenever I shoot a video and I am showing my lipstick in that. So yes, now onwards all my makeup details, especially my lipstick shade, will be in the description box, so she won't be unhappy anymore. So yeah, that's all I have to say. This is my short review and I would highly recommend this blush. And yes, do check the description box for all my social media links and even a review on the beauty blender from PAC Cosmetics. And yes, more reviews are coming your way. If you can see the wing in my eyes, and it is again my favorite, and I'll try reviewing that very soon. This is in the number 003. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit a like. It really makes my day. Don't forget to share this video. It might help someone or the others. Someone must be searching for this review and you might just help that person. And if you feel the lighting is fluctuating, it's just because it's so foggy and so dull in Ooty. There is no sun at all. But still I'm shooting this in natural daylight. Yeah, there is no sun. It's just fog outside. I wish I could show you, but yeah, it's just fog and fog. So this is what I can show you in this light. Don't forget to subscribe to my travel vlogs also. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel also if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. And yes, see you later in another video very soon. Bye bye.